985. We're actually doing a power flush today in Hoylake, which is right near the golf course actually, where they have the open, right near the sea. Really nice place. Anyway, the system is an open vented system. We've actually got two boilers supplying the whole system. A lot of radiators in here, and all the radiators are cast iron. Okay. We've had a bit of a nightmare setting up this morning. The pump valves, they've probably been on about 30 years. We had to grind them and chip them off. We've had to go and get some new pump valves. But we're hooked in now. The water is absolutely black like engine oil. Okay, we've got a lot of steel pipe in this property. We're being a little bit wary of it, and we're just using you know, a non-acidic cleaner in here this morning, today. Okay, that's just because steel pipes, they're not the best sort of pipes in the world to flush. We've warned the customer about this, but he's happy to go ahead and you know, flush the system anyway. Okay, we've got a lot to do. We'll quickly explain what a power flush is if you don't know what it is. It's just a means of flushing through all your central heating system, your pipes, your radiators, your boilers, etc. This is open vented. This system will be cleaning the header tank out in here. Very big header tank. We've got really big pipes, big like steel school type pipes feeding it. It's a single pipe system, which again isn't ideal to flush. But the amount of stuff we're getting out of it already, the rust and sludge we're getting out of it already, it will be better. Okay, we'll be putting 2 lots of Sentinel X100 in here later on, just because of the size of the system, etc. Okay, cost wise, we're up to 50% cheaper than British Gas or HomeServe or any other utility company you've got. The job's all pH and TDS certificated to BS standard. It's all done properly, so you know, if you've got a British Gas contract or any other utility contract and you want to save some money and you want the job doing 100% properly, just give me a call. Okay, we'll also mention you know, if you've had a boiler installed recently, you know, and you don't think it's been power flushed properly, just give us a call and we'll come and power flush it. We cover all the northwest area. We're based in Stockport, Manchester, but we cover a large area. We're actually going to Scunthorpe next week also to do a power flush in Scunthorpe. Okay, even if your boiler is not so new and you think it's you know, it's getting on a bit, this is an old system here. You know, power flushing could revive your system. You know, you may have heating engineers coming around saying you know, you need a new boiler, etc. But you know, in all honesty, you may just need a good power flush, possibly a new pump, and you know, you could end up saving yourself thousands of pounds. But by the same token, don't get a new boiler fitted without having it power flushed properly. We know a lot of heating engineers, they'll give you a good price on a boiler, competitive price, but they don't always power flush it. We're not talking about all heating engineers, but but we know a lot of them don't bother to actually power flush the system. Okay, so it all makes sense whether you're getting a new boiler or whether you're just sticking with your old one. You know, get it power flushed. For that little bit of money you're going to spend on a power flush, you're going to get it back, soon get it back, because you'll be turning your boiler down, your boiler will run smoother, it'll last longer. And it just all makes sense. You know, if your boiler breaks down within the first year or so and you've not had it power flushed, it's going to invalidate your warranty, etc. So you know, get it power flushed. It just all makes sense. Okay, right, we've got a lot to do, so we're just going to get on with the job and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Hi Barry, here's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, just back to this job in Hoylake. We've just put the magnet on bypass. Let's see what we're picking up, and this hasn't been on for long, remember. Oh yeah, wow. Look at that, look at all the metal and sludge and rust that's coming out of the system. You know, that's what destroys your pumps, your valves, etc. And this is what power flushing is all about. It's all about getting rid of all that metal, sludge and rust. I mean, you just imagine you just imagine all that running through your boiler, your say it's a combination boiler, that running through your pump, and then being going through the diverter valve when you're turning hot water on, going through the little diaphragm or the little valve there, it's just not going to cope. So you know, that's what power flushing is all about. It's about getting all your system really nice and clean, all your pipes, the inside of your pipes nice and clean, so your boiler has an easier time, and you know, it just all makes sense. I mean, we'll give you an example that we fitted our boiler ourselves about 7 years ago now. We power flushed it properly, obviously, with air all day power flushing your system, and in 7 years I've not had one problem with the boiler. And I know that's just because the boiler and the system, the radiators, etc., they're all really nice and clean. Okay, right, we're just going to get on with the job and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Hi Barry, it's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, just back to this job in Hoylake. Okay, we're actually dumping the dirty water now. As you can see, it's really black and sludgy, going down the foul drain. So the job's going okay. We'll get back to you later. Thanks. Hi Barry, it's Pro-powerflushing. Just back to this job in Hoylake. We're introducing a lot of clean water into the system now, and what we're doing is forcing the dirty water out. Can you see that? This is a single pipe system. It really isn't ideal at all. It should really have a flow and return, but whatever happens, it will be better. But how actual good it will get will just have to remain to be seen. It could really do with repiping this property. Okay, we'll just get on with the job and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Alright. Hi Barry, it's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, we're going to clean the header tank out now. As you can see, it's absolutely full of rust and sludge. Okay. Hi Barry, it's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, we're just about to add the inhibitor. 2 lots in this system. It's quite a big system. Sentinel X100. The radiators are heating up much better than they were before we came. It's not an ideal system really. It really does need repiped. But anyway, it's a lot better than it was. So, if you need any power flushing done in the northwest, this is in Hoylake today. Just give me a call. Telephone number 07836 353 985. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.